around my heart, the beats the only measure of even knowing I'm alive and turn this pain to pleasure. Before I shut my down, shut the door for good. There's a wall that's towering over me. If I try to climb it, will I succeed? Oh, 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 I'll find the truth deep inside. Life is in my hands, so no need to pray, 'cause I'm ready now for the judgment day. Oh, 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 it's gonna be mine to claim. No one else gets to decide, 'cause the future's only made for you and I.
Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Remember when I drew Gogeta a few months back? Well, do you also remember when I drew him as Super Saiyan 4 and Super Saiyan Blue? Well, what if I were to tell you that he can also achieve that form as one of these? Alright, tonight we're drawing Gogeta, Super Saiyan 4, Great Ape Super Saiyan 4. Well, what am I? Let me say this in a way you can understand. Super Saiyan Great Ape Super... Tonight we're drawing Great Ape Super Saiyan 4 Gogeta. Nailed it. Alright. You saw me draw the head. Now we draw the paws here. Draw the bands here. Yeah? Where are you going? I don't know. Just give me a minute and I'll be there. Just give me a second. Alright. Alright. Here's his fist. Oh yeah, never got to show ya. Do you remember when they released the last two fighters from Super Dragon Ball Heroes, Dragon Ball Fighters? Well, first up, they managed to release Baby Vegeta, which that they call Super Baby 2. Well, having this guy in the game, that might have been my fault. Well, in one of my last episodes, I made a wish for Baby to be in Dragon Ball Fighters, and I didn't actually think it would come true, but wow! Looks like things do come true, even if you don't really... Alright. I guess wishes do come true, even though you don't expect them the way you wanted them to. I'm glad I got Super Baby 2 and Dragon Ball Fighters. I even have them in the console. And then sooner or later, they released Gogeta as a Super Saiyan 4. They managed to release Super Saiyan 4 Gogeta. That's awesome, right? I always knew they added Super Saiyan 4 into the game, because I thought it was just a Dragon Ball Super thing. Because Super Saiyan 4 Gogeta, thought it was just a normal thing. Now we draw the fists. Now here's the Kamehameha Orb. Draw the Sash.
Now I realize my breath has started to freeze. In the middle of a blizzard, I can feel the pressure. That icy kiss around my heart, the beat's the only measure of even knowing I'm alive and turn this pain to pleasure. Before I shut right down, shut the door for good. There's a wall that
Lastly, we draw the tail.
if I try to climb it, will I succeed?
Just like every other Super Saiyan 4.
Find the truth deep inside. Life is in my head, so no need to pray. 'Cause I'm ready now for the judgment day.
It'd be really exciting to have a monkey on the good guys team.
Mind to play. No one else gets to decide. 'Cause the future's
There.
only
That is how you draw Super Saiyan 4 Great Ape Gogeta. And done. Glad I finally got to draw this guy. I've been wanting to get my desire to draw this guy for a long time now. And now my time is finally done. I'm glad you all enjoyed this episode. Happy you all enjoyed this episode. Please like and rock and subscribe to my channel. And let me know which character you want me to draw next. Stegosaurus, see you later. Oh, and by the way, this guy is from Dragon Ball Xenoverse 2.